White paper, a document that reveals the true financial status of the government to the people. A renowned senior advocate raising important questions to the public, people of Tamil Nadu. Shouldn't the public know how much debt a state government is actually carrying? What is really inside the government treasury? How much revenue is being generated? How much is being spent? How much interest is being paid? Where is the people's tax money going? The official document that transparently answers these questions to the public is called a white paper. What is a white paper? This is not an ordinary political statement. It is an official administrative document that explains the complete financial condition of the government to the people. It generally includes total debt of the state government, revenue, government expenditure, loss-making government corporations, hidden financial liabilities, pending projects, government assets, and many other important financial details. An important question to the people: even within a family, we maintain accounts for income, expenses, and debts. If that is the case, shouldn't the people have the right to know the true financial accounts of a government that manages thousands of crores of public money? What is its legal status? A white paper is not legally mandatory. However, in a democracy, it is considered one of the highest symbols of transparency. Because a government is an institution that manages the people's money, telling the people the true financial condition openly is the foundation of good governance. A topic of discussion in the current political climate, Tamil Nadu's current leader Vijay Anna has stated that, "We will provide a white paper to the people explaining what exactly exists in the Tamil Nadu government treasury." This statement has created major public discussion, because people today are asking questions such as, what is the real debt of Tamil Nadu? What burden will future generations face? What is the financial condition of government corporations? Is public tax money being properly utilized? A senior advocate's direct opinion: making political accusations is easy, but placing the complete financial condition of a government before the people through official documentation is a bold administrative approach. If this truly comes into practice, people will get an opportunity to directly understand the real economic condition of the government. A final question to the people: do you believe the public has the right to know the true financial condition of a government that functions using the people's money? If you believe this is important, share this information for public awareness.